Hey guys, it's your girl Kia P with another video. Today we are going to be making a backdrop for the photo shoot for the book that you guys have been seeing. Yes, your girl was on a budget, so I had to create my own photo shoot for the book release. And if you haven't grabbed your copy of Progress to Power, go ahead and do so. The link will be in the description box below. Go ahead and grab your copy of this amazing self-discovery guide that gets you in tune with your star player, which is yourself. Here I am taping 3 cardboard boards from the Dollar Tree together using some duct tape. I'm going to do this twice with a total of 6 boards. I bought them from the Dollar Tree so you can get them there. This project is a real inexpensive project because it only uses cardboards from the Dollar Tree and then a pack of newspaper and then whatever decorative papers you want to print out. So it's really inexpensive. Here I am measuring the cardboard to make sure that it sits at a nice height for me. You may have to tape 4 together depending on how high your ceilings are and if you want to go all the way to the top. I didn't. I just needed these 3 and that worked for that side. And then I did another 3 for the other side, literally using the corner of the room for the photo shoot. Here I am lining up the next 3 boards to tape them together. So a total of 6 boards is what I've used to create the backdrop for this photo shoot. Yes, your girl is getting down in there and getting it done. I saw someone create something similar to this on TikTok, so I figured this would be a great way to use a backdrop for my book photo shoot and save a ton of money by just recreating what I needed for myself. So once I have the boards all taped together, I'm going to go ahead and place sheets of newspaper to cover the boards. This was the way that I did it. You may know a better way, but this worked for me, and I literally just taped them to the board, flipped the boards over and taped them down and hung them on the wall using command strips. So I think the box of command strips was the most expensive part of this project. So I hung them both up on the wall, added some wording, and there you go, the book photo shoot. I used cardboard paper and my Cricut machine for the lettering, and yeah, follow me for more. Shout out to my daughter, Paige Paler, who was the photographer for this photo shoot.